The son of incarcerated gangster JOEL Andem, who was caught with a high-powered rifle, was remanded in custody after gun charges were laid against him.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Criminal charges have been laid on the teenage son of reputed gang leader and murder convict JOEL Andem. Andem's 16-year-old son, Pamayo Joseph Andem, OC Fifi or Tommy, has been charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. He was charged following a question and answer session. The teen was questioned in the presence of his attorney, Peter Champagny. He was taken into custody on Monday, September 24. According to the police, the teenager was arrested following the seizure of an AK-47 rifle and 26 5.56 rounds of ammunition in land lease along Marie Drive in Papine, St. Andrew. The police reported that around 6:45 p.m. on the day in question, a team of officers were on patrol in the land lease area when they saw the teen, whose actions aroused their suspicion. The teen was subsequently searched and the rifle, fitted with a magazine containing the rounds, was reportedly found and seized. The teen appeared before the corporate area gun court on Thursday, October 4, when he was remanded. Champagny said he will be pursuing a bail application at the next court appearance for the accused. The young Andem was sentenced to 3 years probation before the gun court in 2016, when a High Court judge, Justice Sharon George, gave him an opportunity to choose a path that is different from the one his father chose. The youngster, who was 13 years old at the time of his arrest, was charged in October of 2015 after a metal detector at his school in St. Andrew led to the discovery of a 9mm semi-automatic pistol in his knapsack. The juvenile's father, JOEL Andem, and his Gideon Warriors gang had reigned terror for many years in sections of the corporate area. After 4 years on the run, JOEL, who at the time was the country's most wanted man, was captured in May of 2004 by police and soldiers during an operation in Clarksonville in St. Anne.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.